Plutonium is a man-made element. In a commercial nuclear reactor, plutonium is created from uranium. There are two versions of uranium, uranium-235 and uranium-238. In a commercial reactor, the uranium-235 fissions to create energy, which is used to convert water to steam to generate electricity. The uranium-238, on the other hand, can absorb a neutron and then subsequently decay into plutonium. In a commercial nuclear reactor, plutonium generates energy, just like uranium does. A fresh fuel assembly, when it goes into a commercial nuclear reactor, doesn't have any plutonium in it. As the uranium-235 is fissioned and depleted, plutonium is created. Some of the plutonium that is created also fissions to create energy, just like the uranium-235. At the end of the life of the fuel assembly, after approximately 4.5 years in the nuclear reactor, approximately half of the energy being generated from the fuel assembly is from the fission of plutonium, and approximately half is from the fission of uranium. All used fuel assemblies, when they're discharged from a commercial nuclear reactor, contain plutonium. In the United States, these used fuel assemblies are placed in a spent fuel pool and then eventually transferred to dry cask storage. The ultimate disposition for these used fuel assemblies will be a geologic repository. Other countries have chosen to reprocess some of their used fuel assemblies. France, for example, reprocesses used fuel assemblies to extract the plutonium from those assemblies. That plutonium is then used to manufacture new fuel assemblies. These new fuel assemblies are referred to as mixed oxide or MOX fuel assemblies because they contain both uranium and plutonium. These MOX fuel assemblies can then be used in a nuclear reactor just like a fresh uranium fuel assembly.